Thanks for tuning in. My name is Elia Aldefonso, and I want to explain to you what Women of Focus is. Women of Focus is a ministry founded by me about 25 years ago when my husband, Pastor Eddie, was the senior pastor of West Los Angeles Living Word Christian Center, located in Los Angeles, California. This ministry is for women with the focus on Jesus, according to what it says in Hebrews 12:2. And in part it says, fixing your eyes on Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith. You might ask, why focus on Jesus being a women's ministry? Well, in John 1:1 gives one of the explanations why. I read from the NASB version, and so if you follow me, John 1:1 reads as follows. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The word there in the scripture is capitalized, and it means Jesus, and he's talking about Jesus. All right, so then the Greek word is logos, and it's a very rich word in its meaning. Has several meanings. For example, it means word, it means message, it means proclamation, declaration, a mandate, an intent matter, the divine expression. The Word was God. We read that, right? In John 1:1. The Word was God. And both God and Jesus are the same. Jesus is the same as the Father in essence and in deity. With this explicit statement, John says that Jesus is God. Why would we focus on Jesus? Well, because Jesus is God. And women need to know how Jesus walks, talks, and he represents God. So that's important. Another thing is in John 14:9. If you, first John 1:14, sorry, go back to John 1:14, yeah? It says, and the Word, remember some of the meaning, logos, the divine expression, became flesh and lived among us. Isn't that exciting? So the Word became flesh. The Word is God, was God. I mean, Jesus is God. He's the Word, he's the divine expression, and he is God. So we cannot separate God from Jesus, nor Jesus from God, and we can't separate the Word from Jesus or Jesus from the Word. So to focus on Jesus is to focus on God and also on the Word. So Women of Focus, the ministry has been inactive for the past about 4 years because I had been traveling to several countries with my husband. He trains pastors and I teach women. Now my husband and I have relocated to Cusco, Peru, and the ministry Women of Focus will have a new direction. This is really exciting. I won't be organizing annual conferences or retreats for women, but I will be recording videos with biblical teachings. And soon, with the help of my son Eduardo, we will have those up, and you will have access to these videos by means of different social medias, including Instagram, which is something new for me, as well as Twitter, something very new. It will be posted on my Facebook page. Eduardo has also set up and is setting up a YouTube channel for me, and it also will be uploaded on the Talmud. So it'll be accessible to anybody that wants it. So I thank God for this opportunity to reach women and wherever they are, because this is a reach worldwide. Wherever anybody wants to tune in, it would be wonderful. And God knows who we are and where we are and who needs a word from the Lord, meaning not a word like a prophecy. I mean the spoken word, the logos. That's what we're going to be teaching. So, I do thank God for this opportunity. And then I also appreciate that my husband was very encouraging and wanted me to continue with Women of Focus. And so even though it's a little different than how we've been working in the ministry, now this is going to be also a world outreach. So I'm trusting God for everybody that tunes in. I'll be praying. I'll be expecting God to answer prayers, to encourage you, to give you insight of His Word as we focus on Jesus. So until the next time, please, let's focus on Jesus.